So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming something really different. So I just went to the shops and I bought something that I'm very excited about. So behold, in this JB Hi-Fi bag, it just started raining out of nowhere. Okay, so I hope that rain's not too loud. It's literally sunny outside. Like, I have mostly natural light and then a bit of my ring light, and it's raining. Oh my god. Are you fucking serious? I just sat here for a good 20 minutes waiting for the camera battery to charge, and it's been sunny this whole time. Like, I'm wearing a literal dress, like a knit dress, but still. And then it just rains now when I start filming. Okay, well, we're still going to just film over it and I hope that it's not too bad. But anyways, I got an Apple Watch. I'm so excited. There is the back, the front. So yeah, I thought I'm gonna film a little unboxing, my review, my first impressions and unboxing of it, because I thought it'd be like kind of interesting and funny to see like a, you know, a beauty like person, you know what I mean, like film this. Like, I'm not a tech guru at all. I'm into the beauty side of like YouTube and Instagram and all that. So yeah, thought that'd be a little interesting thing. So I am literally so excited. So I have wanted an Apple Watch for like kind of for a while. Like, I wanted them and then I just thought they were ugly, is why I didn't want to buy one. And I like my watch, so I currently just have this. It's got like gold gems and stuff. Gold gem, it's gold and it's got like diamond things on it. But then I found out you can get bands like this and make it look pretty like this. Not like, I'm sorry if I'm calling your Apple Watch ugly, but you get what I mean. So yeah, I already have a band that I'm ready to put on it, and I already got it resized to how I need for my wrist. I am not happy with this weather. So anyways, finally went and bought an Apple Watch. So let's start it. We've got a... That was real graceful. Yeah, so here's your non-nerdy tech guru, your non-tech guru nerdy unboxing and first impressions of an Apple Watch. So you got to pull these thingies. Let me do it on a like a table. Can you see that? Ah. Oh. So pull the thingies. Oh my god. And it is like pretty. That's kind of cool. Like, it like opens up. I wish you could see this, sorry. Inside there we've got these two, so that would obviously be the bands. Let's open that first because it's not important, just to keep the suspense up more. I literally bought this close to an hour ago and I've been wanting to open it, but I was like, no, just wait till you get home, wait till you charge your camera, film it, because I just thought that'd be just interesting and popped into mind. So I've already heard that you get a bigger one here and a smaller watch band thing, you know, English, because then they said if it's like smaller or bigger for your wrist. But anyways, I got it in the pink sands because I got the gold Apple Watch, but I mean, I won't really be probably using that. I'll probably still take it out and like keep it in my drawer, but I'm probably not really gonna use it. All right, so we have the most exciting part. Let's not shake it in case I drop it. Oh, it's so pretty. What's this? All right, so you get a, not drop it, Apple Watch is just there. That is your charging thingy, and that is your other charging wall plug. Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. It's going to show me how to set it up. I'm going to need that in a sec. Sweet. So just a little port thing. I noticed this already. So their wireless charging thing, like charging, you know what I'm saying, but this is going to be connected to it and like just opens up like that. So I don't know how I'm gonna charge it. All right, we're yet to figure that out. How cute. It comes in like a tiny little pouch. I got the 44mm as well, by the way. If you see that. I don't know how to get it out. It's nice and snug in there. Oh my god, ready for the big reveal. I'm excited. Okay, so we have it. Let's put this band on. Wait, do I know how to do the bands? I think it just slides in. Open your band box. Follow the steps to attach your band to your Apple Watch. Look, I don't want to read. Does it need to be up? What way is upright? Oh, the picture. Okay, so that is upright with the little toggly thing. So I'm assuming I grab that. And that side. So I've put it in both there. And I'm so scared. I'm gonna break it. How do I? Oh, ah. And we heard a little click. We are in. Oh, it's turning on. I didn't even mean for that to happen. Ladies and gentlemen, there is my new obsession. It ties in quite well, even though that's like pink gold and I got this in gold, but like, put on your Apple Watch. Oh god. This is also your constructions. I call them constructions, not instructions. And it just says how to use things. So it's got like that. So I know I'm gonna need that. Apparently we've got to pair it. What am I doing? Bring iPhone near Apple Watch. They are touching. There. Oh, Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this new Apple Watch. Continue. So I don't know if I'll skip past this. It's probably really boring watching me set it up. Put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Bye watch. Lovely little watch tan we've got going on as well. Like, that is solid. So put on your Apple Watch. Oh my god, it was the perfect fit. And hold it up to the camera. Jokes now. Gotta hold it to this camera. Align it with the viewfinder below. It's just not. So it's telling me to line it with the viewfinder, and it is. That's. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Your Apple Watch is paired. Oh my god, my hair is just going frizzy. Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. Oh my god, dude, this is so light. I just called you guys dude, sorry. This thing is like a freaking rock. Like, it's so heavy. I remember when I first put it on, like, I've had this for years. I still love how pretty it is and that. And it, I actually got a bruise like right here because it was like hitting it all the time and it was quite heavy. This is like, oh my god, love. Terms and conditions. Totally read all that. Workout route tracking. Apple Watch workouts. Use your location and track routes. That's to enable it. Oh, what password? I don't like passwords on things. Well, I do like, but I like your face. Apple Watch passcode. Create a passcode. So when your Apple Watch locks. Apple Watch locks when you take it off and requires a password to unlock. Didn't know that. Oh, on my Apple Watch creator. I'm so excited that I have an Apple Watch. Set up activity. What is this? Oh yeah. Sorry guys, I want like all my details. So daily move goal. Set a daily caloric move goal based on how active you are, how active you'd like to be. I don't know. Moderate? Should I make my goal moderate? 2,000 kilojoules. Not high, maybe moderate. No, it's going to tell me off when I'm being lazy. Let's set the move goal. Heart health. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart. Low heart rate notifications. Receive a notification of Apple Watch detects your heart rate fall between 40 for 10 minutes. High heart rate notifications. Yeah, let's see that. Apple Pay. Oh my god, Apple Pay on this thing is so good. I already don't have my cards in here, so I just pay with my phone. And the amount of times like I've gone to the bottle-o or something and I need to get alcohol and I haven't got my license because I just brought my phone. Continue. Emergency SOS. Oh, I'm really close to the camera. Hi. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency service from your Apple Watch when it's connected to your phone. This will also send a message to your emergency contacts. Fall detection can initiate emergency SOS. Thanks, that's cool. So if you fall, that's apparently a new thing with the Apple Watch 4s, Apple Series 4, whatever. If you fall and you're like not moving and all that shit for a bit, then it calls 000. What is this? Install available apps. So it's just syncing. I can't. Can you see that? Like, I can't bend my wrist that way. So I'll come back. Okay, so we just had a bit of a vibrate. That sounds so bad. This thing vibrated just then and said it's done. So do I go back to the watch? Welcome to your Apple Watch. Oh, that's so cool. So you have the app on your phone and it has like your Apple Watch, says it. Yeah, so I got the Apple Watch Series 4 gold aluminium 44mm case. So I wanted the bigger face because it's just, I want go big or go home. And I didn't want the other one. The stainless steel is like $1,000, whereas this isn't $1,000. I have a message. Oh, laser clinics, cool. That was exciting. So you can choose your face gallery like things. I don't know what I want. There's so many. Oh, I think I like time. Just time, like, let's go lilac purple. Let's go purple. No, let's go back to lilac. So I don't know how to make this work. Oh, okay. Ah, we did a thing. So I feel like you're gonna be a pain in the ass to me. That is now my little watch face. Oh, because I took it off, it locked. This is gonna take me a lot of figuring out to do. So I'm gonna spend the rest of the afternoon doing that. Turns out you can like swipe from the bottom and you get like all these things. I don't really know. Oh, you can swipe from the top and get your text messages and stuff. That opens up to the little world of all the little apps that I will need to figure it out. And you press it again and it goes, oh, to the lock screen. And then that, what does that do? Oh, activity and... Okay, well, I am going to spend the rest of the time figuring this out. I love it so much. I think I need to get a little screen protector because I've got cracks. Literally like a couple, just a little scratches on these, and they happened when I was drunk and I don't remember what happened. So I have scratches on that, so I feel like being a screen, like an actual touch screen, I'm probably going to smack it on something and crack it. So this is it. Stunning. I love it. Okay. I'm obsessed. So I don't know what other things I'm supposed to do in a unboxing. I showed you that's what's in the box. We have our chargers and stuff. First impressions, I feel really fancy. I really like it. I've been wanting one of these for so long. I just need to figure out everything. I need to figure out how to use it. I'm gonna spend so much time doing this. I'll pop on a movie and do it. But yeah, I really like this. I think the watch face isn't too bad either. And I have tiny like little wrists. Like I had to get 6 links taken out of this. So like if you're thinking that that one's too big, like I don't think it just takes up my whole wrist. Like it's not, I don't think it's too big. So thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching the worst ever Apple Watch unboxing, because I don't know what I'm doing and what I'm talking about. But that is what's in the box. This is the end product. I really like it, and if you are wanting to get an Apple Watch, I'm just gonna say do it, because like it's cool and I really like it. And I'm really excited for like if I go to gym, it'll actually tracking what I'm burning, because I never know what I'm burning, I just exercise. Yeah, it'll also track my activity, what I'm doing when I'm at work, when I'm standing. I'll get my notifications now and stuff like that. I've heard like if you're on maps, it'll come up there and it'll tell you like when to turn, because I'm really bad at missing turns all the time. And also like you get a phone call, you can answer it on there. So then it's kind of like not really illegal to answer a phone while driving, right? Because I'm just talking to my watch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like if you thought this video was somewhat like a little bit interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to my just don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more videos from me. Yeah, they won't be like really unboxing videos, because we know that that's not my forte. Hopefully I'll see some of you guys in my next video. Bye.